Hey guys, Fordman here. Troy S.
Hello.
We stopped at Dutch Bros. And what did you get, Troy?
Oh, what the heck was that called? Some type of freeze.
Golden Eagle.
Golden Eagle freeze.
Golden Eagle Freeze.
Yep. And it is good.
I'm getting ready to do it. If you'll hold the camera for me right quick.
Okay.
I got the same thing. And I'm going to do a taste test on this too. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, that is definitely a 10.5 on that one.
Yeah. See?
It's good
Good
stuff.
stuff.
Good
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah. And got that Cool Whip in there and caramel. Good
Yep.
stuff. Cheers. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here and enjoy the rest of this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.